In this section, we'll once again tap into the creative powers of ChatGPT to create a pin map of Europe. We'll add a fleet of fictitious outlet stores, represented by pins. Each pin will include a label and a hidden text field linked to a Word document. Using animations, we'll add additional depth to the presentation by leveraging the power of layers. Each pin will be animated to function as a clickable toggle, revealing the otherwise hidden layers of text fields. Linking the text fields to a separate Word document makes managing and updating the content of each hidden text field simple and efficient. This eliminates the need for tedious layer management within the PowerPoint presentation, transforming it into a powerful and reusable template. You'll learn how to manage and refresh the content, as well as updating and changing linked connections. Finally, you'll also learn how to automate the refresh process by using ChatGPT to create a VBA script and a macro to execute it. Along the way, you'll also pick up some handy tips and tricks. Let's jump into it.